Na kabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News. Kublai phi baro kini gilongi khubor bam da kasni. Kementri kapentip bagatnat kaladon ha kabenta ka bakat du ban khot e katanda thymmai na kabenta ban pyniaid ya 108 emergency services ha kajila. Habayakran shakilat pathai khubor hadin kajingya kendu jungi nongtrei 108 men ha ka arp south rek unailur. Kementri ka kot ka kya ka kong empri ningdo ha ka siba ar ka yathu ba ka Sorkar klade brai ban pynkiew no ya ka Tulop jungi nongtrei ka 108 emergency ha ka juk ka por kala penkre ban khot tanda thymmai na ka benta ban pyniaid ya ka 108 emergency services ha ka jila. Nalor ka jing pynkiew Tulop ka Sorkar kala shimkhiaru ya ki wei ki mat ki biade ba ka jing trei kam ki nongtrei ka policy shimshuti ba ki jing mentoi ban ai shi ki nongtrei ha ka liang ka kot ka kya. Kalapan pau ya gajing ngos kem baki eki balamat aki snem bala letnyo kila ai jing hikai kumno ban penti kana ya gajing la penya drinti ya ki kam ha kani ka kenti baminta.
Meeting with the 108 workers who for a very long time were always in conflict with the government. Today they came to thank me because we've just increased all of their remunerations. We've just increased, and we've looked at all of their job profiles, and we've looked at all of their leave facilities, we've looked at all of their health facilities, we've looked at all those problems that they had for so many years. They came personally to thank me. I was very happy that they are happy, and we are now on the verge of starting the 108 tendering. I'm praying and hoping that this time we will have no problems. So this time we have learned from previous mistakes. We have a lot of the line departments already as members of the committee that is going to be scrutinizing the documents of the 108 team. We have what we call a pre-bid. Today was supposed to be a pre-bid meeting, but because we had the signing of the Melinda and Bill Gates MOU for the government of Meghalaya, which clashed the timing, so we are shifting it to tomorrow or day after. All the vendors are aware of this rearrangement of time. I hope that we'll be able to get through this. I hope that we'll be able to select the best 108 service provider. Benefit goes for the public. That I will never lose sight of, and I hope we'll be able to do justice to this.
You said that there was an increase in their salary.
I will not be able to give you all the breakup of all the different
When
components.
was it?
Already they are enjoying it. Already enjoying the services. That is why you see that there is at least good work going on with the 108 services right now. Reason is that we need to fast track all of these problems and iron them out before the vendor comes, so that when the vendor comes, he knows exactly what he has to take over, what are the terms and conditions that we are placing before them. Without all of this, it would be difficult for 108 workers to get their rights as workers in a formal platform like a vendor, vendor providing 108 services to the state. So that is behind us. I hope that we will be able to attend one more problem they had. We are trying to solve that as well. Don't have all the details with me. They're all very technical things, but I know that I'm happy that we were able to take that forward and allow them at least minimum rights and privileges.
Ma'am, by how much percentage, ma'am?
Please meet the MD. He will give you the entire thing. Maybe on the 26th, you can take all of that as well.